My video guide is about removing the browser notifications and misleading pop-ups that come from the site Mabar.xyz. Mabar.xyz is a deceptive resource which is also extremely dangerous. In fact, it tries to make you click on a special allow button which is integrated into it. But remember that clicking on allow button is risky because if you do that, your browser may be hijacked with numerous advertisements that will be displayed as permanent and really intrusive push notifications. If you have clicked on allow button, that was surely a mistake that needs to be urgently fixed. So this is how you can fix your browser after the allow button was clicked. Go to the menu, go to settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, go to permissions, click on notifications. At this point, you need to pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Most likely, you will find this junk site, Mabar.xyz. So you need to click on this button and remove it from the list. Now, to make sure that your system is free of other threats, I would also recommend researching it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its latest version on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.